Hey there to our 65 subscribers, our future subscribers, and all people secretly watch us without subscribing. This is the third part of the Fandango Days series, and this part is just the cars and motorcycles. There's going to be quite a few pictures in this one along with the video clips. I will figure out how to put them together in a little bit, but I hope you enjoy it.
What side do you want to go on?
That's up to you. Do you want to look
There's
at
the car
cars,
over there, yeah.
or do you want to keep looking at this stuff?
I want to go over to the car.
Okay. Doesn't look like they got that many this year. They used to fill this park full years ago.
Oh, my truck is leaving.
Is that a gremlin over there?
Oh, let's go to the gremlin.
Is that what that is? I can't see if I'm pointing this in the right direction or not.
This is the car right here. I ain't gonna lie, this is the one. What's up, Chris? Excuse me, I seen all these cars. This is the one I want to take pictures of.
Oh, well.
Well, don't move.
Oh.
This is your car. Can I get you
his car. It's my car.
Oh man,
He's
can
a
I get you?
mechanic. He built it.
You built this?
Yeah, he built it. It's
You
good.
mind if we put you on YouTube?
More-
All right, we got one. We got us one.
It's the only unique one in the whole.
What is it called?
It's
A gremlin.
A gremlin.
What year is it?
72.
I've only seen one of these, and it was like gutted in the backyard with trees growing through it.
Davey.
Let's let me get you.
He's got 3 others at home.
I got
Yeah.
3 more.
Of just this car?
Yeah, but they're not as bad.
Dude, you built this? This your shit?
Really?
Look at this car.
Nobody wants to look at the new hotness
Alright.
over here.
That's the new gremlin?
Yeah.
No, it's a new Hornet, though.
I did too much.
We'll get
Graduated,
there.
now I work for Four Star Catering.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
I drink beer and smoke my weed and that's it, but I don't drink hard alcohol. How you been?
LT Gremlin.
So I got some business for you whenever you're ready.
No, the
I know
LT
you-
is
that's
just
the kind of
something
guy,
to put on.
Oh, is it?
I got 78.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, this guy right
Yeah,
here,
that works on
he downplays himself. This guy can actually, he's great.
I just want to know if it has enough horsepower to break the tires loose.
To what?
Oh, we ain't even get to the tires yet.
When he first put the big engine in it, it lifted this side off the ground when I was driving.
Started off as a 6-cylinder.
No, I know, it went, ah! Just twisted. I'm like, oh, yeah. That's it.
It's just my work in progress. That's why. It's perfect, but
And
the outside doesn't matter. It's on the inside.
Now we get to see her and the carriage.
at least you're, yeah, I know everybody's all perked over there. I was like, I'm fucking.
I
That,
had
we,
it
didn't,
on the dyno and
we just wanted a place to park. It was
you would put it at the motor at the crane. And then
2,000-pound car.
when you put it up against that, it's quite dark.
Yeah, you use 20%.
Hello.
What do you? What is that? What's my God?
Oh,
I know.
I don't know that he wants it, but he wants something. I think, project.
It reminded him.
And he's got a soft spot for Dodge.
I like it. I want one. Okay, come on, let's check out the new car. Can we get you in the picture of it?
printed myself off. And now I owe $52,000.
So it's nice. Well, I guess if you're
You ready?
do it right.
Oh, you're gonna take a picture of me with my car?
For sure.
Oh, that's the brand new.
When you do
Now, what is this?
It's a 2023 Dodge Hornet, all-wheel drive with a 2.0 Hurricane engine.
That's nice.
It's pretty fast too.
Really pretty. You think? Does it change colors at night, or is it just black?
No, it's just black.
It looks like it, like that purple black when the light hits it.
Yeah.
It's actually technically.
You do anything to it, or is
Nope,
it all?
I literally just bought it off the showroom floor.
How'd you rate?
Huh?
How did you rate? You did it. Golden, what did you get? The disaster's all you.
You want to show us an interior?
Yeah, that one's a.
All right.
Take it easy. It's technically a bike.
How much it hit you for?
Well, the price on the lot says $36,075, but after all the finance fees and everything, it's like $56.
They're not taking any trade-ins. You got you got your new.
Oh, I traded my truck, but I owed $20,000 on my truck, so.
Well, let me record this. Cause this is nice. Right off the showroom floor. It's roomy too.
From behind me.
You will be on the YouTube channel.
I drive.
What, you want to drive?
Okay, we got 10 minutes left if you want to look at any other cars.
Yeah, we're gonna go look at
Your
the.
fingerprints all over. Look at
This is. Hey, this is.
Did you get her name?
I don't know if she wants her
that.
name.
Ashley.
Ashley. All right.
Get out, high square.
Thank you.
You sit down in the back.
She may have been offended that I didn't know it. So she might have been offended that I didn't know it.
That you didn't know her? Why? What should be offended? Are you supposed to know her?
She looked offended. Look, a Bel Air.
Send me, they're like, okay, we'll send you. And then 5.5 years in Baghdad, he said, hey, got home.
Yeah, I remember gassing these like. So I went out and there was a.
Skip forward. Let's get it.
Should we go to the front?
I actually like these.
Old ambulance?
Is that what this is?
This.
An ambulance?
This one.
This load went up in here. I was telling her it's so different from the back. Stand down. Cardiac monitor. The ambulance I had was 60. It looked kind of like this.
I can't read the writing on the paper.
The gurney?
Well, she said this used to be the Alturas
Yes, it was.
ambulance back in
1947.
1947.
Yes.
How have you been doing?
Look at that. Now that's when Ford was a Ford. Look at this. This is a beautiful car. There's a lot of history in this one. I'm glad they restored it back to its original. That's beautiful.
That's when it was new.
We got this car before.
My battery's about to die too. Oh, there's bikes here.
Oh yeah, no, I think it's awesome.
So like,
Yeah.
How are you guys? Good. Oh, that's sweet ride.
Def.
nope.
And the shape of ours didn't look right when we looked at it.
Well, so next year we want to do the image on it. It's right down the road. I can open it.
I pull up around 7:45 in my 740i, looking 740 fly. I could drove the old school Chevy, but my fans left the night, so I'm rockstar ready. I could let the VIP waiting, but they all waiting for me. I'm lightweight, famous. Hold up, let me pose real quick. The spotlight's on me, take a picture. Okay. I'm the man of the year. How this dude I see is the man in the mirror. Haters talk shit in the deaf man's ear, but the deaf man sees what the blind man hear. And the money on me won't fold, won't bend, putting stacks on stacks. 2 chains go grill, based on true story, real spill, kill bill. I'm hot right now, top 5 out of 10. Okay, let me talk my shit. You smothering that girl, let her breathe real quick. She looking at me, let her see real quick. Let me holler at your boo, hit a beat real quick. Hello. Girl, you way too slick. Why you bouncing that ass? Girl, that ass too thick. How the hell you get a moan if the jeans don't fit? I don't rock skinny jeans cause my phone too big. Yeah. I know Jay-Z said, but she a Brooklyn girl with the Jay-Z fetish, looking like beefsteak, all meat, no lettuce. She lightweight, famous if you let her tell it. Okay, I'ma let her tell it. Her man mad at me, but he lightweight jealous, cause my money too long and I'm on like Ellen.
Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And is that the end? No, we have more. There's a 4th part coming up. I'll be right back.
Waiting for me, I'm lightweight, famous. Hold up, let me pose real quick. The spotlight, someone take a picture. I'm lightweight, famous. I don't play no games, I'm like no ID. I don't need no name, I'm buying at the bar.